Good morning students. Today we are going to continue the physical features of Tamil Nadu lesson. In the previous class we saw about landscape of Tamil Nadu and waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. In this class we are going to study about climate of Tamil Nadu and forest. Let us see about climate of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is very little difference between summer and winter. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. Seasons of Tamil Nadu. Winter season January to February. Summer season March to May. Southwest monsoon June to September. Northeast monsoon October to December. Let us see about forest. There are many types of forest across Tamil Nadu. They are evergreen forest, deciduous forest and swamp mangrove forest. Evergreen forest. The word evergreen means ever, always, green, always green. The trees in this forest have leaves that are always green. இந்த காடுகள்ல உள்ள மரங்களோட இலைகள் எப்பொழுதுமே பசுமையா இருக்கும். அதனால தான் நாம இத பசுமை மாறா காடுகள் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். In Tamil Nadu, we find evergreen forest in the western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, the Neelagiris and Coimbatore. Deciduous forest. The trees in this forest shed their leaves during the dry season. These forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. They generally grow in the lower regions of the hills. இந்த காடுகள்ல உள்ள மரங்களோட இலைகள் வறட்சி காலங்கள்ல உதிர்ந்து விடுகின்றது. இதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் அப்படின்னா இலையுதிர் காடுகள் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். இவ்வகை காடுகள் பொதுவாக பசுமை மாறா காடுகளின் அருகில் காணப்படுகின்றன. Swamp mangrove forest. The word swamp means areas that are low where water gets collected easily. These forests are usually found near the beaches and riverbeds. இவ்வகை காடுகள் அலையாத்தி காடுகள் அல்லது சதுப்பு நில காடுகள் அப்படின்னு அழைக்கப்படுது. சதுப்பு அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தைக்கு எளிதாக நீர்வழியும் தாழ்வான நிலப்பகுதி அப்படிங்கிற மீனிங். இவ்வகை காடுகள் கடற்கரை பகுதிகள் மற்றும் ஆற்று படுகைகளின் அருகில் காணப்படுகின்றன. The Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Children, let us see the book back exercise together. Choose the correct answer. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Neelagiri Hills. The topmost branches of trees from a chain called canopy. Tamil Nadu has tropical climate. Evergreen forests are found in the place where there is heavy rainfall. Match the following. Mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats. Suruli Waterfall, Theni. India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge. Pichavaram, Mangrove Forest. Tamil Nadu's coastline, third longest in India. True or false? Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. True. Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. False. Kurunji flowers blossoms once in 2 years. False. Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. True. Deciduous forests do not shed leaves. False. Answer the following. Name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. What are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? The different landscape of Tamil Nadu are mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. What are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? The different plains in Tamil Nadu are river plains and coastal plains. Name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. The waterfalls in Tamil Nadu are Hokenakal Waterfalls, Kutralam Waterfalls, Suruli Waterfalls and Vattapparai Waterfalls. Describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate. It has hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. Differentiate evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Evergreen forest, the trees in this forest have leaves that are always green. We find evergreen forest in the Western Ghats. Deciduous forest, the trees in this forest shed their leaves during the dry season. These forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. Thank you.